I know. Magaling ka na. Magaling ka na. You say hi to your friends. You say hi to your friends. Ginising ka ni Mama for the treat. I know. You want your Cheetos? I know you do. Hey guys, once again, welcome back for today. You are in for a treat because as you can see, I'm gonna show you how I make my DIY dog treats for Atlas and Luna. So before we start baking, I'm gonna show you the ingredients and the tools that you will need for you to be able to bake this wonderful dog treat. So first and foremost, of course, you will need 2 cups of flour, and then you'll also need some organic honey. This is 1 tablespoon of organic honey. And then we have coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Please make sure na yung coconut oil na ihahalo nyo is food grade. Kasi may mga iba na for cosmetics. So this one is cinnamon powder. This is just 1/4 teaspoon. And then of course, yung baking powder, this is just 2 teaspoons. We will use 1 egg. Just 1 egg. So hindi naman masyado mag-rise yung i-bake natin. So okay lang naman kasi cookies lang naman siya for dogs. And then, of course, yung peanut butter natin, yung pinaka-flavoring. So, make sure also na this is organic peanut butter. And then, this is about a cup of peanut butter. So, for the tools, of course, I used some measuring spoons. Yun yung ginamit ko pang measure ng mga ito. And then, we have the measuring cup. You have to have, of course, yung cookie cutter. These ones, I bought online. I'm gonna leave a link down below where I got it. Tapos, we have a rolling mat, of course, and then my rolling pin, a hand whisk, and of course, yung large mixing bowl. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix everything up here, and then we're just gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then for about maybe 15 minutes or so, depends on how kung gaano katigas you want your cookies to be. So without further ado, let's start. our first batch of cookies are done. So, ganyan po yung magiging itsura niya pag naluto. Yan. So, medyo ganyan po siya ka... Yan. As you can see, gustong-gusto po yan ni Atlas tsaka ni Luna. You want your Cheetos? Sit. Mama's gonna give you your treats. I know. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Sit, Luna. Come on. Come on, Luns. I know. Mama's gonna give you Cheetos. You sit. Let's go. Come on. Mama won't give you anything. Luna, sit. Come on. No. Ayaw mag-sit. Come on. Sige na. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Good boy. I know. Magaling ka na. Magaling ka na. You say hi to your friends. You say hi to your friends. Ginising ka ni Mama for the treat. I know. You want your Cheetos? I know you do. Good boy. Mama? One more. Good boy. Good job. No more na. Good job, Bobby. Oh, good girl. Oh, gusto rin ni Luna, ni Atlas. Finally done. Ito po yung smaller batch ng cookies that we just made. So, if you have smaller dogs, syempre mas maganda po ito kasi bite size po nila. And then, if you have bigger dogs, of course, yan. Ito po yung may design. Yung akala mo naman. So, these are, again, peanut butter cinnamon cookies. Sobrang hit po ito sa ating mga dogs. Gustong-gusto nila yan. Also, this is human grade because the ingredients are, pwede po siya pang human. Safe for human consumption, basically. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the video. If you do enjoy the video and if you want to help support my mission to promote responsible pet ownership and pet health, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to be leaving a few links down below. Please do check them out. And I hope I can see you in my next vlog soon. Thank you for watching.